Here we go then. Old vindaloo challenge. Wow. I don't know where to start here. Okay. Oh, I'm just touching the I'm just touching the rice there. Freaking hell. Fucking hell. I'm just touching the rice. Wow, a bit of chicken. Dip it in the sauce. That's not too bad actually. So I was trying to do just eating this curry. It's good. And no big chunk here, look. Wow.
It's about too soon.
It's not too bad, fuck. It's alright, actually. It's good, Mum. No worries about this, Mum.
You're lying.
It's good. What are you laughing at? It's fine, it's not even hot.
Really?
Wow. It's alright. I've got some chips and stuff.
He's saying it's not even hot.
No, it's alright actually, don't worry about it. I'm gonna fuck. Oh. You try to eat it, it hurts you even more. Got loads of chicken here, I've got loads of chicken. So I'm going to try and eat this without using my chips and my naan. And then chicken. Ah. It says it's bloody gorgeous, it tastes really nice. Wow. Fucking hell. My nose is dripping now. My nose is dripping, and my eyes are starting to fill up. Fucking hell. I'm sorry for swearing. Fuck me. Oh my god. It's not too, but it's not even hot, really.
Really?
It's not.
Oh.
It just creeps, the thing, it creeps up on you. It's that is like really nice. And it's really tasty. But, it's lovely. It's so nice.
Really?
Yeah. Fuck me. I mean,
and you're saying it's lovely?
That's good now. I feel. Okay. Yeah. I'm alright, honestly, I'm fine. It's easy. I've not even used my chips on my naan yet, so I'm doing good. My nose is dripping. Okay. Oh. I've made some chips and naan, which you can see there. I've not even used it. I've got a beer there, I've not even drunk that. So I'm doing good. Fuck. Fucking hell. I can do it, I can do it. Yeah. It's the chicken. It's the chicken with the sauce, that's what makes it. You can eat up rice all you want, but it's the chicken and the rice. So the chicken and the sauce, I don't know what I'm talking about here. Oh my god. Oh. I can't. I think I've got a cold or something. Oh my god. Oh, I'm doing it. Okay, no. Oh my god. It's getting on. I'm doing it. I am doing that big bit of chicken. Fuck that. I'll put it on there. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh. This is bad. This is really bad. Oh my god. It's so wet that now.
Thanks.
Yeah. Oh. Okay now. Huh. 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 Oh god. Oh god. Fucking hell.
Why are you doing it?
I'm gonna do it. Oh. Oh. Oh god. Oh. Fucking hell. Oh. Fuck me. I'm gonna do it. I've got like a quarter left. I've done half. Oh my god. Even the snot back, it burns into my mouth. Oh, fuck. I can't do it.
You can't do it. Well, don't do it then.
I'm doing it. Fucking hell. Oh, I'm not having no drink. If you ever drink, it'll make it even hotter. I was going with it. I've not used my chips, I've not used my naan. Look, I've got this left, that's all I've got left. Oh my god, there's loads. Oh, it's lovely. It's so nice.
It's lovely. You struggled.
I'm doing it, I'm gonna do it all. Oh, my eyes are knackered. Oh, fuck. I need to do it. I'm doing it.
Got some water.
No, I've done it before. I'm gonna smash this, I'm telling you, it's too easy.
It's easy. Look at you.
Look at that.
You madhead.
Okay, I've got a little bit of rice, bit of naan to finish it off.
You
Easy.
proper madhead.
Easy, look at that. I've got a bit of rice. I'm fucking dying. And mop it up. Oh,
You madhead.
fuck.
You absolute madhead.
Oh my god. That is the hardest thing I've ever been. Oh. That is the hardest thing I've ever. Oh. I'm mopping it up. Fuck it.
You absolute madhead. Why?
Look at that. Cream. A bit of rice there, look. Yum. Fuck it up. Fuck that shit. That is fucking horrible. Dumb. Sweet.